Hello everybody, welcome to a thrift flip. It's your girl Melissa and today we're going to be doing a thrift flip. I loved this groovy pattern. It could be a cute top, but also I think it could be a cute two-piece set, so that's what we're going to be doing here. So I decided, you know what, why not? If it goes wrong, it goes wrong, and you might not ever see this video, but I just think that this would be fun to turn into a little skirt. It has like cinching on the side of it as well, so I feel like I literally just have to cut it and it will be a cute little skirt. So that's where we're gonna start with. But yeah, I was just making sure it's like at least a mini skirt size so that my booty will fit in it. As for the top though, however, I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the top. Look how amazing this pattern is, this material though. It's literally so good. I'm thinking like a one sleeve crop top. I'm thinking maybe put an elastic in there, but we're gonna start with just cutting the bottom just to see if it fits as a skirt. How cute is my juicy velour tracksuit sweater as well? Isn't it cute? It's super early 2000s. Let's go. Just gotta try to make the vision come true, and sometimes it just doesn't work like that, but we're gonna try it out. Okay, so now we got two pieces. This is the top. Like literally I might be able to just leave it like this, but I don't want to. I want to make it a little bit more funky, you know? Let me just try the skirt on really quickly. Just needs to be taken in the sides. So we're gonna do that first, I think, just to see, but it's really cute. Like even this fit right here is so cute. It could also be like a bathing suit cover up. All right, we are going to start sewing. Hopefully this material isn't too stretch material, because usually I can't sew the stretchiness. I am an amateur sewer. I just try to do what I can to make things look different. Okay, first side is done. Oh, it looks good. I'm always shocked when it looks good because like, I did take a few fashion classes like in high school, but you can only learn so much. Like most of the stuff, everything else was like self-taught, or I used to sew a lot with my grandma, so she kind of taught me a couple tips and tricks, but she's a really good sewer. Actually, funny enough, like when I was doing a lot of sewing reworks, she would do a lot of them for me. I would just give her a pile and she would just go to work and do them. I used to do a lot more like reworks and stuff when like putting the elastic at the bottom of crop tops was really in. All right, we're gonna try this side now. All right, let's check out what this one looks like. Oh, she's good too. We love that for us. So now that it's taken in just a little bit more, I don't hate the unfinished edge for these. Do you see what I mean? Like it curves in, so I don't really need that finished hem because it kind of just curves in itself. So cute. Okay, yeah, we're gonna leave it. I'm happy with it. I think it's a good tightness. Now that we're done with the skirt, which did not take long at all, the top is gonna take a little bit longer because I'm not too sure what I want to do with it just yet. See, what I'm thinking, I'm gonna need a drink of coffee. I'm thinking like one sleeve off the shoulder top, because I do like the sleeves, how they're like a little bit, you know, more like 60s, 70s vibes to them a little bit more. So I would have to do this. It would be like this and down. What if we just cut off the one sleeve and did like, and turned this in? Ooh, that could be really cute too. I lied. Okay, and we're gonna turn like these sleeves into like some glove-esque situation at the bottom. Yes. Okay, I know what I'm doing now. Okay, so we're gonna cut off both of these sleeves and then make it into like almost a vest and then use both of these sleeves. Arm warmers. I'm gonna cut these off too. And if I have enough material, I could maybe even make a headband. We're going to pin where we want it. See, the thing with me is when I very much so like to eye things. Like, so it either turns out or it literally doesn't at all. Like, I'm either like really like I just have a good eye or it's just a disaster. Like, there's no in between. Then we're just going to sew down here and down here and hope for the freaking best. Okay, the first sleeve is complete, and I was just thinking, what if we made like a bigger sleeve on one side and a smaller one on the other side? I just feel like that would be kind of a vibe. So if we made this one small and then this one really big, I feel like that would be really cute. I need to also fasten this a little bit better on the side. That's what I think I'm gonna go for. We're gonna try it out, okay? Let's do that. Other big tip, parchment paper when dealing with stretch fabric. If you are a beginner, me, this has been a game changer for you girls. So if you want to try it out, try it out. It makes a world of a difference because I know how like difficult stretch fabric is to work with. So this is what I've kind of started to do when dealing with stretch fabrics. And I do go a little bit inward at the end just so it cinches because I want it to be like tight. I don't want it to be like out at the bottom. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, and it just comes right off. And then you have a perfect stitch. Just gorgeous. We're good. I'm gonna cut these stringy dings off. Are you kidding me? Is this not just the cutest thing that you've ever seen? I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god, it's literally so cute. Okay, now I gotta make the gloves. As far as the gloves, they're not gonna be gloves. I keep saying gloves, but they're gonna be like cinched sleeves. Like, I want it to be like this. Do you know what I mean? Them smaller at the top and then they go out into a sleeve. Yeah, we're just gonna kind of go like this because this part is gonna get cut off, and I like this part over here, which is like more of the nicer parts. So we're just going to kind of sew along here where, let me just see. So it's gonna be like this. So we need to start here and it needs to go out into like a triangle situation. I think that's what I want to do. and sew this bad boy and see what happens. Things have gone really well so far, so I have a feeling something's about to, you know, happen. Knock on wood. Inside this material off. Looks so cute. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, one is done. Now I just gotta do the other. We're done. This was actually a really easy flip. It's so perfect. Wow. Oh my god. I need to go try this on. Here's the finished look. I'll put up all the pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this little thrift flip. It's so cute.